Hey guys, from past few days, we are seeing that our markets are going down continuously. Nifty is down by 4.36% from its all-time high and Sensex is down by 3.98%. We all know that FIIs are continuously selling from last 1 month, because of which the markets are going down. But why are these FIIs selling so aggressively? Because they were the key players who kept on buying from last 1 year. But suddenly we see them selling our stocks. They have almost sold around 12,000 crores in last 1 month. So why are they suddenly selling? The number one reason for them to sell here is couple of big foreign investment banks like Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan have downgraded Indian equities in order to upgrade the Chinese equity markets. Right now, Indian equities are looking very expensive in comparison with China. Indian stock markets have fantastically performed in last 6 months. India is right now the second best equity performer in the world after Russia, whereas Chinese markets have underperformed in last 6 months. So investment banks now feel that Indian stock market is overvalued and are downgrading Indian equities. And on the other hand, they are upgrading Chinese equities. Now, as many FIIs follow these investment banks, so they are aggressively selling the Indian stocks. Now, what I personally feel here is this is going to be a temporary phenomena here, because we all know that how Chinese rules are, how its government has taken actions against big firms like Alibaba, Tencent and Baidu. Chinese government is very unpredictable. So going forward, what I feel here is these banks might again change their outlook on China and then they might upgrade our Indian equities. Now coming to Indian equities, yes, right now Indian stock market is overvalued. The EPS of many companies is coming down because in India right now the commodity prices are increasing. The price of oil, gas and grains are increasing. So in coming days, we may still more see our Indian equities go down. But for a long-term investor, this is a right opportunity to invest in good quality stocks because we will be getting these stocks at a reasonable price. So that's what my opinion here is. Thank you for watching this video.